It's your boy Playmaker Way with the playbook, and y'all read the title, man. 3 support resistance secrets that you need to know. If it's your first time on the channel, welcome. I appreciate you giving this video a chance. Go ahead and hit that bell and sub button because we don't just post weekly content like this, but we also live trade and live stream every day. London session 3 a.m. EST on YouTube on this very same channel. We also have a free signal free Telegram. As you can see right here, this is how we did last month for May. We went 16-4, giving us an 80% win rate, cost 69,396 pips. You can see this by going to June 3rd. You can also see some student results and testimonial, and over 1,000 receipts of screenshots of student results, testimonials, screenshots of actual positions of trades I took, screenshots of signals I called, all that good stuff. So make sure to hit that first link in the description and check all that stuff out. Now, that's how we did last month. Now, how we did quarter 1 to start the year off, we went 53-4, giving us a 93% win rate. January, we went 20-0, catching 37,620 pips. February, we went 17-1, catching 24,403 pips. Then March, we went 16-3, catching 49,783 pips, catching a total of 111,806 pips. You can see this by scrolling to April 4th. You click right here. You click right here, it's going to take you to the beginning of the year. Now, let's go ahead and get straight into this video. The first thing you got to understand about support resistance is that there are levels on every time frame. There are literally levels on every single time frame. And there's multiple different levels on each time frame. Okay, so the main thing you need to focus on when identifying and marking your supply and demand support resistance levels is which ones are most relevant for the setup you are looking for. All right, so if you're looking for a buy setup, mark up support resistance levels, supply demand levels for a buy setup. If you're looking for a sell setup, it's the same thing. Look for support resistance and supply and demand levels for a sell setup. And if you don't understand how support resistance works, pause this video and watch this one that just popped up. All right, this breaks down a couple examples and it's going to help make things a little bit more clear for you. And then come back to this video. So that brings us into number 2. You want to enter off support levels and you want to enter sells off resistance levels. All right, the reason why you want to look for sells off resistance levels is because when price breaks that level, right, once you wait for that confirmation for price to break that level and it treats it as a resistance, it's going to give you like an extra push, as well as if you go with the trend for price to push and continue to go in your direction. You see how each time price broke this level, it did a huge move downwards, broke this level, retest, did a huge move downwards, broke this level, retested, did a huge move downwards. And enter all support resistance levels, you'll have a higher chance and likelihood of price going in your favor. Because again, the goal is not to try to catch every pip in the market. The goal is to look for high probability, high quality setups. Now, if you don't understand how to identify the trend, stop this video and check this one out. I break it down. I show you how to identify trends and trend reversals on both an uptrend and downtrend. So make sure to check that video out, then come back to this one, okay? Notice how I said broke and retest, okay? You don't want to catch a breakout candlestick because like we see right here, price broke this level, but then off the retest, price broke this level, but off the retest, did it treat it as resistance? No, it shot up and continue to treat it as support. So you want to wait for price to break that level and show it's treating as resistance. And then guess what happened? We had a higher chance and probability of price continuing to go in our favor. So here's another good example. Look, you see how price broke this level? But guess what? Off the retest, it came back and decided to respect that support, which is why I went for this huge buy. All right. And that brings us into number 3. A strong support level is also strong resistance. Just like a strong supply level is also strong demand level. So we see right here how price was treating this level as support, right? You see when it bounced, respected it as support. When it came later on along the lines, guess what? The same level was being treated as resistance. Same thing here. We see price treating this level as support. Later down along the lines, treating as resistance. So again, you have to decide and determine what you're trying to use these levels for, because these are all, that's why they're called support resistance, not support levels and resistance levels. That's why they say support / resistance, supply and demand. Okay, they correlate, and it's just based on what you're trying to do and what kind of setups you're looking for, where you want to wait for price to treat them as a supply or demand level or support and resistance level. All right, it's that simple, y'all. If y'all enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, subscribe, comment down below any questions, comments, concerns you may have. Make sure to hit that first link in the description, join the free signal room. If you're interested in learning how to mark off these levels so you can catch huge risk to reward setups like this one was a 1 to 8 risk to reward, or this one right here, that was another 1 to 8 on SPX, and then we had this one that was a 1 to, then we had this one that was a 1 to 3. Hit the links in the description. Join the advanced play signal room. What comes with advanced play signal room? I can show you better than I can tell you. Advanced play signal room, we trade Tokyo session exclusively with the members. We trade London session and then New York. Just like the Sunday chart analysis I drop in the free signal room, I drop one every day during New York session called the New York price watch list. This is where I go over the trades we took during Tokyo session, London session, and possible setups going into New York. I don't just say we're looking for buys or looking for sells. I explain why we're looking for buys, why we're looking for sells, and then I take it a step further and go over key price points to look for entries and exits on. As you can see here, I call this signal. You see I'm walking y'all through what's going on with the trades we're in. I'm giving y'all updates to what I talked about in the New York price watch list. And then of course you see me showing y'all screenshots to visually show y'all what's going on behind the scenes, or what I see on my end behind the scenes. All right, we also have exclusive live streams that we go live during New York news events at least twice a week. And just like the London session lives, if you missed the live, they're recorded and posted in here so you can watch them when you get a chance. You have access to over 500 videos of daily chart analysis and weekly live streams. And in fact, you have access to even the ones last year in 2022. Then there's also the pinned messages like the account size key, the student and member group chat, and much more. Now, I also have the course, of course. The course doesn't just teach you my trading strategy, it also teaches you how to read the charts, because that's what I teach y'all. You saw I had no indicators, no trend lines. It's simply just market flow and trading and entering and exiting off key price levels. Now, all the stuff that I just went over, you get access to all that stuff in the course channel. So that way, not only do you have the step-by-step playbook of how to look and read any chart at all times, but you have ongoing chart analysis, ongoing education for life. Now, I also have one-on-one sessions. One-on-one sessions also comes with access to the advanced play signal room and the student member group chat. That way you can earn while you learn, but then you also get 2 sessions a week that are recorded an hour long, but you also get 2 sessions a week that are recorded and are an hour long, and they're sent to you same day. Those are yours to keep for life. So if you're interested in that, hit those links in the description. If y'all want to contact me directly, y'all can DM me on Instagram at playmaker_way. Also, make sure to follow me on there, and TikTok _playmakerway_. I post daily on both pages. And I'll see y'all next time I'm live or next time I post a video. Peace. We out.